We're going to review the top 5 best smartboards for classroom, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Samsung Flip 2. The Samsung Flip 2 comes from a global brand and leader in display and communication technology. This 65 inches 4K UHD digital flip chart has a pen-to-paper-like writing experience to make meetings and brainstorming more efficient and productive. Touch-out functionality lets you sync personal devices with the Samsung Flip for real-time content sharing and control. And you can store your meetings securely and share notes via email, network, thumb drive or printouts. Number 2. Vibe All-in-One Interactive Whiteboard. Vibe is a leading brand in this segment. Moreover, the feature-packed displays it offers are affordable. The company offers a robust app ecosystem for this 55 inches 4K UHD touchscreen. The Vibe OS supports multi-person and multi-device edit and sharing capability. The screen has a 5 milliseconds response time, so your touch and pen respond like a traditional whiteboard and a marker. And when you make changes, you can use Vibe Cloud to save your content in real time and make it available on Google Drive. Number 3. Sharp 70 inches Class Interactive Display System. Sharp is known for its quality displays, and this 70 inches 10-point multi-touchscreen smartboard doesn't disappoint. It is a high-definition edge-lit LED display. This board can support up to 4 simultaneous users with the Sharp Display Connect software. The software simplifies connectivity with mobile devices and manipulation of multiple file types. Number 4. Bucinic 98 inches Viewboard. Bucinic is another manufacturer known for its high-quality computer displays. This 98 inches board is big, without losing quality. The Viewboard is a 4K Ultra HD interactive flat panel board with next-generation IR touch technology. The result is a 50% latency reduction with a 20-point touch capability for multiple simultaneous users. Additional features include My Viewboard annotation software with enterprise-grade security, Smart Port USB function, and a sound system with 10W stereo speakers and a 15W subwoofer. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Hub 250 inches PixelSense display. The Microsoft Surface Hub 2 is a 50 inches device with a 4K PixelSense 120Hz touchscreen display with multi-touch pen capabilities. The Hub 2 is basically a large computer, and it includes Intel Core i5, 8GB RAM, and 128GB SSD along with a modular hub to increase capacity. Wide-angle cameras on each side produce 1080p video, and a 4-element microphone array can capture what everyone in the room is saying. You can talk, draw, and share on the hub using Microsoft Office applications.